Imagine living in a high-end luxurious condominium, inspired by nature, walking distance just minutes away from Orchard Road. Come, let's view Cairnhill 16. This freehold development has only 39 units. How exclusive can it be? My name is Tina from Urban Agents, and let me introduce to you Cairnhill 16. Developer is T-Sky, and the TOP is expected to be in September 2023. A century home, come back every day to an urban garden. Also built with eco in mind, yet luxurious, ecologically and socially responsible with prestigious BCA Green Mark Gold Plus certification. Top green initiatives include dedicated recycling chute, energy-saving fittings, which are LED lightings, efficient air conditioning system, and appliances. And residents here will have eco-friendly universal electric vehicle chargers for the residents to use. The grand and lush entrance at the first story exudes elegance and sophistication, welcoming the residents and guiding them to the luxurious private lift lobby. And what's on the ground floor? You can find a grand entrance drop-off featuring 16 water candles as a strong focal and memorable physical address for the development. Lobby textured feature walls give an illusion of movement which uplifts and inspires arrival. A 20-meter azure pool appears as it originates from the woods, gently vanishing over an infinity edge, beckoning residents for a rejuvenating afternoon respite. An iconic two-story multi-purpose pavilion with a feature tree that overlooks the pool and landscape in the development. A kids' pool with water bubbles. A strong 4-meter tall green cage was proposed to create a cozy, private, secluded corner for a jacuzzi pool with trellis above it. And there's an indoor gym overlooking the landscape and pool. Okay. And what's on the second level? On the second story, it is the fitness terrace. It allows users to enjoy fitness activities in a natural setting, having a holistic approach to wellness. And on the 7th story, we find the reading lounge. It is landscape area with casual outdoor furniture to allow users to indulge and contemplate in the surrounding greenery. And on the roof terrace, we can find Teppanyaki themed outdoor dining with refined cooking facilities, such as electrical operating hot pot, comes with granite countertop with sink and adequate seating. Not enough, we still have a barbecue charcoal grill themed outdoor dining experience with facilities such as grill pit, granite countertop with sink and adequate seating. Linear water feature with bubblers and planters at the background that give an upscale touch to the development as a point of interest. The 39 well-crafted apartment units are distinguished by their functional and efficient space planning. Private lifts are provided for all units, and living and dining areas are open to the views beyond. Come, let's take a look at the show flat. And this is a 3-bedroom plus study unit, 1292 square feet. As you walk out of your private lift, there is a back door for your deliveries, and the designer has done a very good job to make use of this space. You have a cabinet here that you can fill up with your shoes and your accessories. And as you walk into your home, the first thing that you see is this dry kitchen. Marble top, very nice layout, white, and it looks very impressive. You can have breakfast here or a coffee machine, and it's just opposite the dining area, so you can prepare your mise en place here while still entertaining your guests. This dry kitchen also has a wine cellar, a steam oven, and next, let's take a look at the wet kitchen. And as you walk into this wet kitchen, there is a 4-door refrigerator, We have the cooker, the hood, and also the oven. All appliances here are from Vizuk, and we have a dishwasher, washing machine, cum dryer, and also, did you notice that there are ample space in this kitchen for your storage? A very good size sink, marble tops for you to work on. Next, let's take a look at the helpers area. And next, this is the helper area, ample space for her to rest, her own bathroom, and also you can convert this into a storage area. And just take a look at this dining and living area. It is very broad and long. A table for 6 to 8 here to entertain your friends or your family, having cozy meals, chit-chat sessions, and come, let's take a look at the living area. A very nice space for an L-shaped couch, 2 sofas here, a broad space for your TV or just nice decoration. Enjoy yourself here, and just take a look at this balcony. It's the same length as the dining and the living area. It really brings you to the outdoor. You can even do some decking here and enjoy the view outside. Very relaxing, right? And also have sofas here, planters. This is a very good place to relax after a hard days of work. Next, let us take a look at the 2 common bedrooms. And before we go into the bedrooms, this is the study area. It used to have an internal wall partition here, but you can break it to give more space. And you know, studies these days are the in thing for homes because you can either work from home or have a good place to study or read a book. This is the shared common bathroom. Has got very nice fittings from Grohe, rain shower, marble floors. Let's take a look at the first common bedroom. And this is the first common bedroom. This room has been furnished with a single bed, has got vanity desk here, and take a look. This floor to ceiling height wardrobe can hold a lot of your clothes, accessories, perhaps your luggage bag on top. Lots of walking space, and see this unique bookshelf that you can store all your books. Very functional room. Next, we will look at the second bedroom. Both rooms are identical in size, but this room has been furnished with a super single bed. You have ample space here for a side table, and again, bookshelves done up, floor to ceiling height wardrobe, lots of space for your storage. Next, let's take a look at the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. And look at this wardrobe, ample space for your clothing, luggage bag, pillows. And next, take a look at this bed area. Just nice for a queen size or a king size bed. Space for cabinets and also your side table. And have a look at the balcony. It is small and cozy, good enough for a chair or two. In the evening, enjoy the stars outside and a small little drink. How nice that is. Next, let's take a look at the master bedroom bathroom. This master bathroom has got Grohe fittings. It has got a luxury bun sink, ample storage in the cabinets and also behind this mirror, rain shower, and the window will actually allow ventilation into this bathroom. And today we have the pleasure of Mr. Martin Quek, Head of Sales and Marketing from T-Sky Memorial, to share more insights of this development. Hi Martin, thanks for joining us.
Hi Tina, thanks for inviting me to come on your video clip.
I just have a few questions for the audience. Can you tell me how Cairnhill 16 was being planned and concept?
Sure. Basically, Cairnhill 16 is a freehold development, District 9, one single block of building, 15 stories, only 39 exclusive units made out of 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms. All the units will have their own private lift and have high-end luxurious finishings. It is set in the tranquil green luxury of Cairnhill itself, yet it's a short distance to Newton and Orchard MRT station, as well as the hustle and bustle of Orchard Road.
In your own opinion, right, who do you think are the prospective buyers?
Okay, basically we're looking for this 39 discerning homeowners who are looking for a very centrally located development, but yet it offers quiet sanctuary for the owner itself to, after a hard day's work, you drive past Orchard Road through the hustle and bustle, yet within a few minutes you are in a very quiet and tranquil place that you call home.
And you emphasize on luxury. To my mind, it's really oozing with a lot of luxurious items. Maybe you can share with us what appliances or floorings Cairnhill 16 is having.
Sure, definitely you have shared plenty in this video clip, but of course I will have to emphasize again the natural marble flooring, the high-end appliances, Visu that we provide throughout the whole development, our private lift, our Grohe finishings for the sanitary wares, and last but not least, our 3.2 meter ceiling that is typical of our T-sky design.
Okay, and in your opinion, I mean, I have mine and I've done the research. What do you think is the investment opportunity? Is it a good investment?
Oh, definitely, because one thing is Freehold, District 9. So end of the day is location. Being freehold, it means you have legacy planning, you can leave it for your generations to come. At the same time, the value will hold. On top of that, in terms of rental, for Orchard Road itself, you will never be short of tenants or investors looking for a buy in Orchard Road.
Martin, actually I can envisage myself driving from the concrete jungle back home, where you pass by all those greeneries and back into a sanctuary. I like this feeling. It gives you that kind of being away from town when I actually am in town. What is your favorite part about this development?
Oh, I totally agree with you. Other than the full facility range of facilities that we offer here with a swimming pool, children's playground, jacuzzi, my favorite part of the condo is actually at the top of the condo itself. At the roof terrace, we have not one but two grills. One will be our Teppanyaki hot plate, as well as the barbecue pit itself. At the roof, you'll be able to take in the views of the city skyline, and at the same time enjoy your wonderful cooking. At the same time, that would be my favorite place of the condominium.
Okay, thank you, Martin, for your time. Probably we'll have another chit chat in some days to come, but thank you. I think Cairnhill 16 is definitely a place for me to come home to.
Thank you.
Yeah. Residents who drive will appreciate the major expressways and roads flanking the condominium. Access to Bukit Timah Road, Danyan Road, and the Central Expressway are just within minutes. Those who prefer public transport will appreciate the numerous options available. Orchard MRT station on the North-South line is a 10-minute walk away, while MRT interchanges such as Orchard MRT station, Dhoby Ghaut MRT station, Newton MRT station, and Little India MRT station are all less than 15 minutes away by foot. Indulge in limitless dining, recreational and shopping options. Being situated in the heart of the city comes with its benefit. Singapore's premier shopping district is at your fingertips, with malls such as Paragon Shopping Centre, Plaza Singapura besetting you at all sides. Paragon Medical is just around the corner for premium medical services, and Mount Elizabeth Hospital is less than 5 minutes away for medical emergencies. Foodies, rejoice at the variety that surrounds you. Fancy hawker fare? Then the famous Newton Food Centre is the place for you. Parents with children will enjoy the variety of educational institutions around Cairnhill 16. We have schools like ACS Junior, Raffles Girls' School, LaSalle College of the Arts, MOE Language Centre, Chatsworth International School, Maurice Allen Study Centre, ISS International School, China Lingua School, and Acton English School. These are the few schools around your home. Don't miss this chance to own this luxurious project. My name is Tina from Urban Agents. Give me a call and I'll see you soon.